artist and author Karen Campbell, and I'm author of the new book, Whimsical Watercolor and How to Draw series. Book 1 is Widdle Women, and I thought I would show you a little flip through inside. But stay tuned to the end because you will not believe what people are doing with their drawings from the book. I went into my Facebook group and took screenshots of so many of the amazing drawings that are just delightful, that have been whipped up after the publication of this book. Please stay to the end and watch. They are just adorable, and I can't wait to see how this book can inspire you in some creative new way. Book 2, Wacky Whiskers, is due out any day as well. I will let you know. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the flip through and then the peek sneak show at the end of all the crazy awesome art that people are making. So cool. Here's my little book. There's 15 whimsical little women inside. And I thought before I did the flip through, I would actually show you what the original drawings actually look like on my paper, like in real life. Just so you can see them. I actually started this book because I was in a rough patch. Emotionally, I was under a lot of stress. I was super sad about a few things. And I actually just started drawing and working on these characters just as a way to cheer myself up, to be quite honest. Just messing around, and I wanted to create something on my paper that would make me smile. So this was a passion project that was selfishly just for me, and I'm actually just so tickled and glad that so many people also seem to be in a place where they could use a little pick-me-up too. So that's really been, I think, the most exciting and delightful thing to see. So these are the original drawings. They're all drawn and watercolored in exactly the same 6-step method. I draw them with pencil first, and then I go over my lines in a fine liner. These Molitor fine liners, although any fine liner is fine. Okay, and then once I have my final outline drawn, this happy Helen, and come on. And I give the credit to my massage therapist when I was in one of my stress settings, was the one who actually was like, you need to have a little girl in a wheelchair. And I said, yes, I do. And I went home that night and created her. And I'm so glad that I did, because she actually is my favorite of all of them. Like, she, just the sheer joy that's coming out of her face, I can't even. So back to the drawing process. 4 steps of drawing, and then outline in fine liner, and then I erase my original graphite sketches out of it, so it's just like a coloring page basically at that point. And then I use only 1 or 2 coats of watercolor. That's it for every part. And then in some cases I use color pencil to enhance an area if I wanted to be a little bit more colored in. So my basic ingredients were color pencils, and then I'm obsessed with these silly little signs by Pentel. Pretty much anything that Pentel makes, I buy and love. This is on the list for these Widdle Women. And so I use those for a lot of these sort of shoelace details, and little scraggly hair bits are all made with those sign pens. And if you're curious about the exact supplies I'm using, inside the book there's also a link to a free watercolor crash course if you've never done watercolor before and you want to try your hand on it while you're using the book. So that's helpful if you've never done it. It's nice to see. I'm used to teaching by video anyways. I have a little 11-part mini series in there. And then the last technique I use all the time too is I just scribble with a soft pencil, and then I just use a blending stump, just a simple blending stump, to mash it in. Here's Bookworm Wendy. Come on, she's so worried. Sassy Sam. All right, see those little squiggles? You can see these pens in action. They are awesome. Lola Lunda. Linda is actually my mom, and she's also my book editor for all 20 plus of my books. Zenzara. So I use super duper simple watercolor techniques. This is just watercolor. This is one. While it's still wet, don't wait. Do another color. While it's still wet, don't wait. Do a third color. That's all that is. So simple. Okay. So flowy flora. What'd you doing in here? That's Shady Slim. He's on my next. Like, I literally didn't know he was over there. That's hilarious. That will be a different video because that's going to be a different book. All right, so here it is, Widdle Women. I'll just do the flip through, and I'll shut up. It's pretty self-explanatory. The beginning of it is my supplies and usage. Okay, and then it just goes in through one by one. So I'll put a little music on. I won't bore you with my my banter as you enjoy the flip through. These are only available on Amazon. A couple people have asked me if I'm doing an ebook version or a Kindle. I don't do Kindle because it's black and white and you really need the colors. And I don't do PDFs because I've had a problem with people pirating my PDFs. So I don't do that anymore either. So Amazon around the world will carry these. Enjoy a little flip through. Enjoy this peek of all of the amazing art that's been published in my Facebook group. If you're not a member, what are you waiting for? Come and join us. Just search Awesome Art School in groups on Facebook and you will find us there. And actually, if you're doing any of the drawings from the book and you want to share them with me, I would love to see. You can post your picture and use the hashtag Karen's Art Books, and that will automatically enter you to win in our monthly giveaway. You can win another new book or a pencil pouch like this one. This is my favorite one that we've been giving away lately. Oh my God, it's so cute and it fits so much. Anyways, all right, I gotta show you what we're making. It's just bananas. Enjoy.